In this video, I will show you how to sync Google Contacts with Zoho CRM. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Next, open a new tab and search for Zoho CRM. Click the official Zoho website and then select Access Zoho CRM on the right-hand side. You'll arrive at your CRM dashboard. Go back to your Google Contacts tab. Click the export icon on the side. In the pop-up, select Google CSV and then click Export. Your downloaded file will appear in your browser, usually at the top right corner. Return to Zoho CRM. On the left-hand side, click Contacts. Then, at the top right corner, click Create Contact, and from the drop-down, select Import Contacts. In the window that appears, click Browse, select your downloaded CSV file, and click Open. Click Next to map the fields and choose what to do with existing records, then continue clicking Next until you reach the final confirmation. Click Yes, Continue, and then Finish. The import process may take a few minutes depending on the number of contacts. Once completed, refresh your contacts page in Zoho CRM, and you'll see all your Google Contacts successfully imported. And that's how to sync Google Contacts with Zoho CRM